rock truck. 730, I think is what they are. Big articulated machines. They lift the box up on those suckers. I've never seen one tip over, but they can, so without even tipping the cab. I gotta unload mine. That's how they load them. Here comes another one. Well, my truck is empty. Well, that ain't working anyway. There's the fun stuff. Lots of horsepower. So here we are doing some busy road construction.
Come back here, buddy.
Well, I guess it's my turn to get loaded.
Hey, buddy, we need here.
She's a soft and heavy road. That's an 8 D8T. This is an 815 Cat Packer. I don't remember what this one is. There's all kinds of loading one way and loading the other. These guys are loading buggies by themselves and then spreading in places and dropping in places. I'm just hauling junk out of a soft spot. Okay, here's the borrow pits we're working out of right now. There's a bunch of trenches and a bunch of dirt piles of good stuff and bad stuff. There's bad that's been stacked. There's good that we're digging out of with machines, and there's black junk, that's where I'm stacking my stuff. So, quite a mix up. Okay, I'll turn around and side load beside this guy here. I'm loaded and leaving to go unload. Here comes a buggy with some more good fill. and a little packer for packing in. They're putting in culverts. All kinds of sizes and machines and busyness going on. At least my windshield's clean, hey? Except for where the bugs and crap are. So this stuff here is all wet and ugly. It just sloops out of there like a bucket of muck. Unlike the stuff I've got in my truck, it's all dirt. It unloads anyway. But, oh, sorry about that. That line's all sticky. Okay, I'm unloaded. I'm heading back for another load of garbage. And just a constant load and go and load and go. And more chatter on the radio than a guy can keep up with as far as instructions between everybody here and there and everywhere else. Anyway, time for me to pause it and get back at it. So there we are, loading out this junk, feeding it out. You look over in the background in the left there. These guys are working with buggies and stuff and things, cats working there. And this morning they flopped the buggy over on its side. Of course, I didn't get a chance to get a video of it because I was driving back and forth, but there were other guys in there. If I can get any footage of that being flopped all over or getting pushed back up, I'll get it and post it if I can. Anyway, there's a whole bunch of busyness. Probably a little bit too choppy to make it fun for editing, but we'll see how it goes. Another load, another day. Giver, giver. So this is what it looks like for a hoe to climb up a bank. That's about 10 foot. Something like that. Maybe he's not. Maybe he's changing his plans here. He was just working up on that bank and then had to jump down to load another gravel truck. May look easy, huh? Probably lose your nerve doing that the first time. I think I would. Anyway, another fun thing.